Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Sharon and I do appreciate you coming along on our new home tours. Today we're back out at Bridgewater, dear Horton Townhome community right up here on 210 and I-95. And we're at the Keaton model. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 795 square feet. So let's take a peek. All right, gang, we got the Keaton here. Again, 2-car garage, right? This is their office. They're using it as their site agent office. That's your 2-car garage right there. All right, so we're gonna take a little walk around the side. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Sharon and I do appreciate giving you great information. Nice little community. So I'm walking the puppy. Pretty dang nice. Nice little walkway down the side here. Little hidden entry space. And your home smarted up because that's what you got, your smart doorbell there. You're gonna have a smart entry lock. So come on in here. Now, this is on your 20-foot products, right? And so what they get, and we'll point some things out, they get some different stuff within the 20-foot product versus the 18-foot product. So if we take a U-turn, if you will, that'll be an entrance to our 2-car garage. Again, right now it's their site agent's office. We'll shut the door so we don't bother them too much. Nice little entry space here, window lit up, maybe put a backpack hanger, that sort of thing, okay? And over here, which is kind of cool, is to the right of that door, the garage door, is your half bath. Nice little pedestal sink, just standard stuff, 18-inch tile. All right, very nice. Little receptacle right there, in case you want to plug something in there. All right, coming on in here. Again, you're going to see different smart switches. You're going to see a lot of different stuff. All of this stuff can be smarted up to your home. All right, look at this beautiful island. Now, on the 20-foot products, such as the Keaton here, you get the island. So that's really nice. You get all that counter space back there. Whirlpool appliances. Lots of space here, that's for sure. We just did one of these down in the trails down in Palm Coast. I was very impressed with it. All that light coming in right there. Pretty nice. Got your walk-in pantry. That's another perk of the 20-foot product. Okay. Very nice. Then you got your covered screen lanai. Again, another perk of the 20-foot product. Let me let you take a peek at that. That's pretty good size. That goes across the entire. Let me open this door. Oh, let me open this door up. That goes across the whole back of the home. Pretty nice. Look at this. That's a pretty good size. Nice, nice. All right, we'll come on in here. All right, let's head upstairs. I love the bend. I said this on the other one. I love the bend they put in it, right? I know it's for, a lot of it's probably structural, the way that it's designed, but it looks really, really good. Great design, all right? Again, Sharon and I do appreciate you guys coming along on the tours. Coming up here. Now, this is kind of, everything's got a lot of separation up here. Pretty impressed with it, actually. You're down here to the right. And another perk of the 20-foot products like the Keaton is that you get an upstairs laundry. All right. Let's see. You can probably put some cabinets up over there. I mean, it's not a huge place. You definitely put some up over the washer and dryer for like soap powders and stuff. All right. Nice little reach-in closet. Pretty good size. There you go. Very nice. And then coming into the master, we just walked past the air handler. Coming into the master, you got a huge walk-in closet. Again, a perk of the 20-foot product. Pretty good size here. Okay. Big room with, there's 3 windows bringing in tons of light. All LED lights in all the new homes, of course, as always. And we have our double sinks, quartz countertops, walk-in shower space. Very nice. Okay, and then we got our toilet, of course, standard stuff. Again, 18-inch tile throughout. Wow, this is pretty cool. Go down the other side of the hallway here. Let's see what we got over here. A linen closet right here. Yeah, nice and deep too. Right. These 2 bathrooms over here, or 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. They share, of course, a nice countertop. I like the way they did that. Maybe a second sink would have been kind of cool, but they definitely have a lot of countertop there. Full tub shower. Surround, very nice. Then you got the 2 ancillary bedrooms here. They're both, I think, about the same size, it looks like, but window placement in this one would probably lend itself to a single or a double bed, maybe. A queen in here would definitely be tight. Probably may not be doable, but with some sort of nightstand. But coming over here in this one, and that's a queen, more traditional setup as far as where the windows can, situate it. So, and then you got a nice dresser right here. So definitely got some space there. And then, of course, our standard reach-in closets here. All right. So this is a nice little plan. It's a very nice plan. Let's go back downstairs real quick. Give you one last look at that. All right, very cool. Sharon, I do appreciate you guys. We always love helping you learn about different things in our community, different homes, so on and so forth. We do love that. Anyway, look at this beautiful, beautiful home. All right, gang, that was the Keaton by D.R. Horton here at Bridgewater. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Very cool. 2-car garage and a townhome. Anyway, if we can get you more information, help you get into a home, help you set up a personal tour, whatever it takes, you let us know. Call, text, email, give us a shout out, and we will do our best to get you what you need. All right? We appreciate you guys, and I want you to have a great day. Thanks.